Hey everybody, welcome back. My wife came out to the RV today and she really knows the strong sewer smell in it. We haven't used it in a while and right away I knew what it was. Today we're going to talk about how you can keep that smell out of yours too if you're not using it all the time. So here we are under our sink, taking a look to see where that smell is coming from. If you guessed that smell of sewer is the smell of sewer, you're correct. RV plumbing is just like your house plumbing. It has what's called a P-trap in it. In this P-trap should be a water seal. There's always a little water that sits in here after your sink drains, and it seals the sewer gas from coming back down the pipe and up into your camper. But unfortunately, when it sits out in the hot summer sun for a long time, all the water evaporates out of there, and before you know it, that sewer gas is coming right back up and into your camper. So how are we going to fix it today? We're going to fix it with some RV antifreeze. It won't evaporate off like the water does, and it should keep that water seal so we're not having that gas smell back in the camper. So what you're going to want to get is RV and Marine antifreeze. This is not the same as the antifreeze you put in your car. This antifreeze is safe to both drink and to pour down septic systems. So that way when you get to your RV park and you rinse out your lines as you're using them, you're not going to have a problem with it going down. So what we're going to do is just like when we're winterizing, we're going to pour about a cup of it down into the drain, fill those P-traps back up, and then we should have that nice seal like we've been looking for, and we won't have that smell anymore. So in my camper, I have a sink in the kitchen, sink in the bathroom, the shower, and the toilet. Put a little RV antifreeze in each of them, quick and easy. Now I shouldn't have any more smell until the next time I go. Hope this tip helps you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you do like it, share it with your friends so they'll know too. Everybody have a good time out there on the road, and we'll see you out there.